If you are in class 10 and someone asks PCM or PCB, wait, don't answer yet. Because this one decision you make at 16 silently closes the doors to many career options before you even know they exist. Hi, I'm Ancha, and a few years ago I was at the same position, figuring out which stream to choose. And as most students do, if they score good in maths, they choose PCM, and if maths isn't cup of their tea, they choose PCB. But as someone who scored 98 in both maths and science in class 10 board, I had every reason to choose any of these streams, but I chose both. At this age, interests change. Unless you are someone who has decided from the bottom of their heart that you want to pursue such and such careers, this statement is true for you. When we are in class 10, we majorly think of engineer, doctor, lawyer, CA, or one or two more. And these were the options that I thought I had. But in reality, there are hundreds of career options that we do not even know. Since I wanted to pursue science and I knew that engineering wasn't my thing,
Uh-oh.
I naturally opted to become a doctor, not knowing how many years it would take, how difficult it would be, or do I even like treating people. PCB is amazing, but limited. PCB is perfect if you're absolutely sure that you want medicine or biology related careers. But if 2 years later you realize that medicine isn't your thing, or you are not as fantasized by these things as you were earlier, you cannot suddenly switch careers. You can't appear for JEE or courses through CUET and many other courses that require maths as their necessary subject. Maths keeps the doors open. Choosing PCM doesn't force you to become an engineer. It opens many doors like research, economics, data science, statistics, AI, architecture, and many government exams, or even some biology related field. Now, what if you want to become a doctor? If becoming doctor is your dream, still consider PCMB. Yes, it is harder, but it keeps your paths open until you're older and have more information about these fields. Think of maths as a backup and not a betrayal to your dreams. I myself chose PCMB even though I was primarily prepping for NEET since I knew that I had very little information about the fields I was going in and that my preferences could change over time. So I opted for PCMB. You can rather carry an extra subject for 2 years than carry the weight of what ifs all your life. At the end of the day, it isn't about choosing the best stream, it's choosing the stream that is best for you. More career options. With PCB, your career options are mainly limited to biology, MBBS, BDS, BAMS, nursery, pharmacy, etc. All these are great careers, but PCMB offers all of these careers plus many others like engineering through JEE, architecture, defense, NDA, or even many BSMS programs through IIT. So, I'm not telling you to choose PCMB, I'm asking you to make an informed decision. Do your own research, talk to seniors, teachers, parents, classmates, and choose what genuinely fits you. And if you're wondering that how did I manage PCMB as a NEET aspirant and doesn't it distract you from your actual competitive exam preparation? Don't worry, I'll make a separate video on that one. Until then, take care and goodbye.